Hello, Russell Mark here from Go Shooting. Today's topic is how hard is your ammunition actually hitting its target? Now, we've done plenty of videos in the past based on trying to find the point of impact of your shotgun and then how to adjust that. Today's topic is solely based on the penetration power of your shot shells. This is particularly important to know when you're shooting targets at distance. This is a simple test that anyone that has access to a pattern board can do. All you need is some 10cm square balsa wood or modelling wood blocks and a plastic clamp. Now, for the purposes of comparison in today's video, I'm going to use American shot sizes. The velocity of the ammunition I'm using will be measured in feet per second, and that's measured when it's 1 metre out from the end of the barrel. Sorry for all the different units of measurement here, but that's generally how the shotgun world works. Hardness of shot shells is gauged by a chemical that's called antimony. Quality shot shells have between 3 and up to 5% antimony. So for our first test, I'm going to use 1250 feet per second cartridges with 3% antimony, 32 millimeters of wood, number 8 shot up here to the left, number 9 shot down there to the right. So let's see how we went. From 35 metres with a full choke, our number 8 shot just made it through. You can see there that just a couple of pellets made it through the 32 millimeters of wood. So how did we go with our number 9 shot? Untouched. Okay, we've compared two different shot sizes. Now let's try two different velocities. Top left will be 1150 feet a second, bottom right will be 1300 feet a second. Both number 7.5 shot, both 3% antimony. Both pieces of wood are still at 32 millimeters. So how did the two different velocities fare? 1150 feet per second. Some actually made it through. Slightly bigger shots, so I'm not surprised about that. You can see there that just a few pellets made it through. And our 1300 feet per second, pretty much the same, barely getting through the 32 millimeters of wood. You can see there, just barely scratching the surface. So really no difference in penetration when it's related to velocity. Okay, let's try different antimony, but let's increase the wood thickness to 38 millimeters. 1300 feet a second both, 7.5 shot for both. 38 millimeters of wood now. This one, the top left, will be 3% antimony. The bottom one will be 5% antimony. Our 3% antimony, nothing's gone through. Not surprising, it didn't make any impact when the wood was at 32 millimeters, so no surprising at 38 millimeters, the shot just didn't penetrate. And finally, our 5% antimony. And you can see there, the shot's gone all the way through, it squashed it up against the board. Some interesting results. There's no doubt in my mind that if you're shooting at edge-on hard clay targets at distance, then bigger shot with antimony up to 5% is a huge advantage. If you have a device like this that can actually measure the hardness of clay targets, then you can choose your ammunition accordingly. And finally today, I'm not revealing the brands of ammunition that I used. I have far too many friends in the shot shell industry to go and do that. I would encourage you, however, to do your own independent testing. I hope today's piece of advice helps, and I look forward to seeing you at a Go Shooting range really soon.